Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Come along with us as we take a sneak peek at Universal's Epic Universe, which opened its doors on May 22nd, 2025. Let's check out the rides, lands, and everything that makes this park so epic. Let's go. The park features 5 different immersive lands: Celestial Park, which is visible here and acts as a gateway to the other lands; Super Nintendo World, Dark Universe, the Wizarding World of Harry Potter, Ministry of Magic, and How to Train Your Dragon, Isle of Berk. Our first ride at Celestial Park, Constellation Carrousel. Universal Helios Grand Hotel. It's the only hotel inside of Epic Universe. Now let's get ready to enter Super Nintendo World. Super Nintendo World is a key attraction. It features 2 themed areas, Super Mario Land and Donkey Kong Country. Has 2 interactive rides and attractions, Minecart Madness Coaster and Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge. It features restaurants, souvenir shops, and power-up bands that add to the experience through interactive games and challenges. Yoshii Adventure is a kid-friendly ride. Explore the Viking hamlet from the series in this immersive world, which has rich elements, rides like Dragon Races Rally and Hiccup's Wing Gliders, and interactions with characters such as Toothless and Hiccup. The water cannons blast more than 28 feet into the air to reach targets including other Viking ships. Quick stop at Mead Hall Diner. The portal takes you to 2 different times, 1920s in Paris and 1990s in England. Ride the new Harry Potter and the Battle at the Ministry ride on the London Ministry's Metroflow transportation system. based on the iconic Universal monsters and are situated in the immersive hamlet of Darkmoor. It features rides such as Monsters Unchained, The Frankenstein Experiment, and Curse of the Werewolf. Thank you for joining us today in our first visit to the amazing Epic Universe. Looking forward to exploring the places, restaurants, and attractions that we miss in this visit. See you in our upcoming adventure.